Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 113 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler from Hachette, the penultimate delivery, I believe. So, in this issue, we're not doing very much, but of course, we're going to have a look through the magazine anyway. A car for the new world we're looking at from 2011. Good stuff. The Bat and the Cat. They got married by the looks of it. Again, all good things. Normal art style and all of those. And going back to the old style for Evil Batman on Earth 3. Oh no. That's not good. Green Lantern comes along and fixes him. There we go. So in this issue, we've got another very heavy tyre, which we are just going to stand next to the first tyre and, have a look and see what it looks like, really, before next time we get the outer wheel rims and hubs and everything. So let me clear this out of the way. We'll have a look and see what we got. Yes, this is this. We've got a tyre which is really quite meaty. I'm sure it's solid rubber, these. And it will be going along with the other one that we've got. This is the inner one, and this is the outer one. Now, it says to line them up with these bits sort of next to each other. I'm assuming they're talking about these pieces that sort of curve in. I don't know which side is which on this anyway, but I'm going to have the bits matching up with each other. Not like that, because that looks like it's sort of curving in and around, so it's going to be going that way round, I think, with that. So it sort of makes it a continuation of the shapes on these rather than going backwards. So that's how I'll be having that. If that's on the inside and that's on the outside, I don't know which is which, but I'll figure that out next time when we get the other surrounds, and probably end up fitting it, I hope. So that's it for this issue. Join me in the next couple of days for another one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.